Hi guys, so today we are going to go through simplifying rational functions. The first part is where we have a monomial over a monomial, and we already did ones like this when we did the rules of exponents, so we're not going to do too many examples of them because all we want to do is just kind of jog our memory on how to go about tackling these problems. So for the first one, we've got 36c to the 5th d to the 4th over 96c d to the 8th. So now because that c doesn't have an exponent with it, I'm going to draw in that 1 because that technically is there. So we're going to first simplify our number part. So we've got 36 over 96. So 36 and 96 can both be divided by 12. So if I divide 36 by 12, that's 3 over 96 divided by 12 is 8. So 36 over 96 reduces to 3 over 8. Now, when we have these exponents, c to the 5th over c to the 1st, our rules are if they have the same base, we subtract those exponents. So it's going to be c to the 4th. And then we have d to the 4th over d to the 8th. So that's going to be d to the 4 minus 8. That's negative 4. All right, and then remember, we're not allowed to have those negative exponents, so we relocate that d to the 4th. We're going to relocate that. So we've got 3 over 8. We're going to put d to the 4th on the denominator up top. The c to the 4th is going to be with that 3. So we've got 3c to the 4th over 8d to the 4th. All right, for the next one, first thing we're going to do is we're going to simplify those numbers. So 30 over 6, that reduces to 5 over 1, technically. All right, now we're going to do x to the 3rd over x squared. We're going to subtract them. That's x to the 1st. Y to the 5th over y to the 3rd. That's going to be y squared. So there are no negative exponents, so nothing needs to go down in the denominator with that 1. So we've got 5x to the 1st, but we don't really need that 1 there, y squared. And then I don't have to put over 1 because remember with a fraction, we don't really need that over 1. All right, last one. We've got 12 over 16, so we can divide them both by 4. So we've got 3 over 4, and then we subtract those exponents. A to the 3rd over a squared is going to be a to the positive 1. B to the 4th is in the denominator, so I'm going to just keep that in the denominator, b to the 4th, with that 4. And then that c in the denominator doesn't have an exponent, so I put a 1 there. And c to the 3rd minus c. So c to the 3rd over c to the 1st, subtract them. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we've got the 4 and the b to the 4th in the denominator. Up top is going to be the 3, a to the 1st, and c squared. But remember, we don't need that 1 with the a when we're doing our final answer. Okay, so that is it for simplifying a monomial over a monomial. All right, you guys can try it. The Edge Elastic number 1.